Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's Quickfire Quiz with me, Mr. Chapman, the Quiz Wizard. Welcome back to those of you who have taken part in one of my quizzes before, and a big welcome to those of you who are taking part in one of my quizzes for the first time today. The quiz consists of 10 questions. Some of the questions about things you might have learned at school, and others are just for fun. So, you may need to write your answers down on a piece of paper, or you could use a tablet, whichever is easiest for you. So let's have a look and see what is in store for us in our quiz today. Question 1. In the Toy Story films, what type of animal was Slink? In the Toy Story films, what type of animal was Slink? So there are 4 Toy Story films, and they're all very, very good fun to watch. Question 2, grammar. Find the nouns in the following sentence. Looking out of the window, Peter saw the sunshine rise. Looking out of the window, Peter saw the sunshine rise. Find the nouns in that sentence. Be careful, there may be more than one. Okay, question 3. What is the sum of 37 add 28? What is the sum of 37 add 28? You may want to draw yourself a number line to help you if that is a method that you choose to use. What I will do is go through a couple of different methods that you could use when I go through the answers. So sum is another word for total. Okay, question 4 is an art question. What colours can you make by mixing the 3 primary colours? So the primary colours are yellow, red and blue, but what colours can you make by mixing them? So if you mix red with yellow, or red with blue, or yellow with blue, what colours could you make? Question 5. In Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl, who goes with Charlie to Willy Wonka's factory? In Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, who goes with Charlie to Willy Wonka's factory? Who does Charlie choose to take with him? And we're now halfway through the quiz already. Question 6. Science. Which organs in the body allow you to take in air and breathe it out again? Which organs in the body allow you to take air in and breathe it out again? Question 7 is a geography question. What is the name given to a lake that is created when it becomes detached from a river because of erosion? You look at the picture, it's this bit here that is detached. What is the name given to a lake that is created when it becomes detached from a river because of erosion? That's a toughie. But do you know? Question 8. Who won the Football Premier League last season? So who won the Football Premier League last season? Liverpool are obviously top at the moment this year, but who won it last year? Do you know? Which team? Question 9. A multiple of 5 will always end in what? A multiple of 5 will always end in what? So you might need to go through your times tables. Think about what a multiple is. And question 10, the last question today. What is the coordinating conjunction in this sentence? The boy wanted to watch the game, but he wanted to go to the cinema too. The boy wanted to watch the game, but he wanted to go to the cinema too. What is the coordinating conjunction? The boy's got a bit of a decision to make. Decisions. What is the coordinating conjunction? And that is the end of our quiz today. So give yourselves a round of applause. Well done. Before I go through the answers with you, I like to have a little bit of a bonus round in the middle. And our bonus round today is vocabulary for maths. How many words can you think of that mean this symbol here? I'm not going to say it because that could be your first word. But how many words can you think of that mean that symbol? I'm going to give you 30 seconds to call out, write down as many as you could possibly think of. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. That's 10 seconds. Twenty seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. How many words did you come up with? Let's have a look to see if you matched any of mine. So, more, add, total, make, altogether, plus, addition, sum. We've had some in the quiz today, haven't we? If you had any more, that is fantastic. Well done. Right, the answers for today. Let's see how many you got. In Toy Story, Slink was a dog. In particular, he was a sausage dog made of a slinky. Question 2, find the nouns in the following sentence. There are actually 3 nouns in that sentence. Nouns are objects. In this sentence, there are 3 of them. The window and sunshine are what are called common nouns, whereas Peter is a person. So he is an example of what is called a proper noun. Mr. Chapman is a proper noun. So that needs capital letters. QuickFire Quiz is the name of a quiz. So that needs capital letters. So there are 3 nouns in this sentence. Well done if you spotted all 3. Question 3. What is the sum of 37 and 28? So I'm going to, if you have a look at this here, you can do partitioning. So you could partition your 10s and 1s. So you could do 30 add 20, which equals 50. And then your 1s or your units are 7 add 8, which is 15. And then you have to push those back together. 50 add 15 would be 65. Or if you wanted to use the number line, find 37. And you've got 2 lots of 10 to add on. So you go 37, add 10 is 47, add 10 is 57. You've got 8 more to add on, but what gets you to your next 10 from 57? 58, 59, 60. So that's 3 more. And then you've got 5 more left to add on. 60 add 5 is 65. Or you could have used column addition. This one, both numbers have the same place value, 10s and units, so you can line them up carefully. 7 add 8 is 15, so 5 goes in here and you carry the 1. 3 add 2 is 5, add the extra 1 is 6. So the answer is 65. Question 4. So here are the colours that you can make mixing the 3 primary colours. Red and yellow makes orange, Yellow and blue makes green. Blue and red makes violet or purple. And these colours are called secondary colours. And obviously you can then make them lighter or darker shades by adding in white or black. So if you're at a loose end today, and you've got some paint at home, maybe you could mix some of your own paints and create a new rainbow for your window just using the 3 primary colours. Question 5. Charlie, in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, took Grandpa Joe to Willy Wonka's factory with him. Question 6. Which organs in the body allow you to take in air and breathe it out again? That is the lungs. It's your lungs, okay? The lungs allow the body to receive air, oxygen. And then when you breathe out, you're getting rid of carbon dioxide. Again, perhaps you could research some fun facts about the lungs, different parts, and exactly how they work. Question 7. The name given to a lake that is created when it becomes detached from a river because of erosion is called an oxbow lake. An oxbow lake is a U-shaped lake that forms when a wide meander is cut off. A meander is a curve, creating a freestanding body of water. This is something you could look at today. Research the journey of a river and the different parts of a river. Question 8. Who won the Football Premier League last season? That was Manchester City. Question 9. A multiple of 5 will always end in 0 or 5. A multiple is a number in a certain times table. So if you did your 5 times table, you would end on 5, which ends in a 5. 10 in a 0. 15 ends in a 5. 20 in a 0. 25 in a 5. 30 in a 0. And if you have a look on this diagram here, you can see in jumps of 5, the numbers always end in 5 or a 0. What do you notice about multiples of 2, 10, or even 4? Have a look. And question 10, what is the coordinating conjunction in this sentence? The boy wanted to watch the game, but he wanted to go to the cinema too. The answer is but. But is the coordinating conjunction, and their job is to help link 2 clauses that make sense on their own together. The boy wanted to watch the game. He wanted to go to the cinema too. There are 7 of them, and you can remember it using fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. Well done if you got that. So, how many did you score today? Did you beat yesterday's score? Is there anything that you want to go back and have another practice on? I hope you enjoyed the quiz today. Can you come back tomorrow and beat your score from today? If you've enjoyed the quiz, please tell your friends, tell your classmates all about the Quiz Wizard and the YouTube channel. If you want to, you can subscribe to the channel, but please make sure you ask your mums, dads, grandparents, or carers first, and that will tell you when a new quiz comes live. If you want to, you can check out some of the other quizzes that are also on the channel. Also, I'd be really happy for you to tweet me at _quiz_wizard about what you scored today. Yeah, so it'd be great to hear from you. Other than that, the last thing I need to say is class dismissed, and I'll see you soon. Take care and stay safe.